Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen egg soufflé. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and gather ramen, eggs, milk, and seasonings. Break and fluff the ramen into small pieces, then whisk eggs with milk and salt until slightly frothy. Fold noodles gently into the egg mixture and spoon into greased ramekins about 2/3 full. Bake until puffed and golden, then cool briefly before serving so texture sets and flavors meld. Start by crushing the ramen to bite-sized pieces, then let them sit for a few minutes to dry slightly so they absorb egg evenly. Whisk eggs and milk until just frothy to trap air, and fold in noodles gently to avoid deflating the mixture. Divide into greased ramekins or a muffin tin about 2/3 full for proper rising. Bake in a preheated oven until puffed and golden, then rest briefly before serving warm and airy. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. I recently picked up the Oala water bottle, and it keeps my water cold during long cooking sessions, plus the leak-proof lid is perfect when I'm juggling pans and timers. Great for staying hydrated while you bake soufflés. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place ramekins on a baking tray and bake in a 375 degrees F oven until tops are golden and centers are set yet slightly jiggly, usually about 12 to 18 minutes depending on size. Remove from oven and let sit for 3 to 5 minutes so the soufflé finishes cooking and firms up a bit. Garnish with scallions, sesame seeds, or a light drizzle of soy sauce for extra flavor. Then serve immediately while still warm and airy for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.